Okay, setup ठीक है ना? Like all the camera is okay? I guess yeah, I can see the frame. Yeah. Hey guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. How you know that I always talk about something Q&A vlog, students vlog and sort of things. So guys, on Sundays I'll be making a vlog wherein I'll show you the whole backstory, what it goes behind making the videos I do make for you all, the research, my team. When I'll go to college, I'll show you my studios. But this video, I'll show you the setup which I do most of the videos from. So, मेरे घर में, inside my bedroom, I do everything. What are the equipments I use and how the whole setup looks like. Because see, if you see this frame, most of my videos have this red wall and my frame is something like this, right? And I sit here in the corner and I talk to you most of the time. So this is my bed, which looks messy, and yeah, this is how the setup looks like. So this is the whole thing about my bedroom, and I set it up. I'll show you what lights I use, I show you the stands I have, and of course my mobile phone. And also, if you want to do a setup, you can also do that. See, when I started initially, I had no idea कि मैं YouTube में क्या करने वाली हूँ, how I'm gonna do. But yeah, I had a plan that I'll make videos to help media students. So one fine day, obviously in the lockdown, it started, and then I was like, oh damn, I can do that, but where to keep my phone? And I had no tripod. I had studios where I was teaching my students, but then at home I didn't have a tripod as such. So I said, okay, let's chalo जुगाड़ tripod बनाते हैं, books के ऊपर books रख के and all that I did. And finally then after 2 months I said I should buy a tripod because बहुत ज़्यादा जुगाड़ हो गया. You know, I'm talking and suddenly my phone will fall. So yes, that's how I got a tripod, and I'll show you which tripod to buy. It's like really reasonable. The light which I use, it's not like lights. I use only one ring light, which is sorted, and yeah, basic setup. So let me show you the whole setup, how it looks like. So finally guys, I'll be using my same tripod as what do you call it, selfie stick? Yes. So I'll be using it as a selfie stick. So if you see my setup, see, this is the bed area where I told you that, you know, when I sit like this, I talk to you with this backdrop, and this is my little fancy stuff here with, this is my piggy bank kind of a thing, and this is again a piggy bank kind of a thing. This is my mirror, and you can see my, you know, second camera here, not here exactly. If you see, if you can see, my second camera is here, which I use sometime, not generally, because then it's like too much of edit. And yes, this is the what do you say, the what do you say, the window. Yeah, so this is the window, and here you go with my ring light. So this is how my ring light looks like. So this is my table. You get it on Amazon, the table. This ring light is a Simpex 18-inch one, which is amazing, guys. Trust me, this is too good in terms of the brightness. You can see it is like too bright. Reasonable. Around, I think with the stand, it's a sturdy, if you can see, it's a sturdy stand. This is like quite big. Ignore my chappals, okay? So it is my home chappal, which is like, okay, ignore. So yeah, so this is the Simpex ring light, which comes with like, say, 3 modes in it. Like, oh sorry, I'm talking about dim and how much ever dim you want to make it, and then the brightness. This is your yellowish tint, and this is your white. Generally I use the setting which is white. So yeah, and as I said, I'm using the selfie camera video. So here I'll just turn it around and I'll show you my planning calendars, how it is. So guys, here we go with my fancy bedroom setup, which is, you know, what I do. I have written like 1,000 what do you say, subscribers, and then now I have this Feb thing that I'll get monetized. Let's see. So this is my Jan calendar, wherein, you know, I write stuff, all the things that what I do, and I have a small quote here which I try to follow. And here we go again with the planner, that which video I'll be releasing when. So yeah, this is my tiny little bedroom looks like. So honestly saying, see, at home when you're shooting, it's very hot. I'm almost sweating. I can't switch on the AC because then it'll be very hot, and that's why what I do, I always do it in paragraphs. Like I'll shoot one part and then I'll switch on the fan and I'm like, ha, I'll wipe out all my sweat and then again I come in front of you. So when you talk about equipments, okay, I'll just try to show you a few things. That, see, this is my one of the secondary camera, and like it's optional, you don't have to have it. This tripod is really good. Let me show you how it works. As I said, this camera is really good because you can use it like, you know, your vertical for IGTV video recording, then you can use it horizontal because everything, it can be fixed. So here is your knob wherein you use it. So it's as good as a Gorilla tripod, but Gorilla जब launch हुआ था, so it has like, you know, balls, which was, ऐसा बोलते हैं बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाता है, जब मैंने use नहीं किया, so I have no clue. But this one is, see, it's flexible. So, you know, if I want to put it on something and use it, I can do that. So I can reduce the height, I can fix it anywhere I want to. So yes, this is one of the tripod I have with me. So there is tripod, I already showed you the light. Then there's a basic mic. अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मैंने नया OnePlus 8T खरीदा है जिसमें जैक नहीं है, so obviously I've ordered for the extension. So right now I'm not using the mic. So when I was using 5T, obviously there was a 3mm jack जिसमें मैं ये lapel mic लगा के use करती थी. So you can also buy this, you will get it in 700 or something. So ये जो setup है, like light little costly है. I'll make the videos where I will tell you कि कौन सी light है जो 2000 के अंदर में आपको अच्छी light मिल जाएगी, and this is little expensive but this is really good. But as a student, if you want to start, obviously you can go for a lower version and काम तो चल जाएगा. With the stand, this stand cost me around like 750 or 800 rupees. So you can go for it. Those who really want to start their career in YouTube and kuch videos shoot karna, then please go ahead with that. This is really good. And extra phone if you have, just for some BTS, see, if you ask me, it's very difficult to convince your brother, sister, mom, dad to shoot for you, and you are literally comfortable when you're doing it alone and in your own pace. So I would say एक बैकअप फोन है तो रख लो, नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, स्टार्ट विद इट, आफ्टर दैट कर लेना. 5-6 मिनट हुए, मतलब आई डोंट नो 10 minutes हुए एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी इनटू स्वेट. And this time, as this is a raw footage, so I'm not gonna lie to you or like, you know, say again reshoot. घंटी बज गई. Okay, this will happen. So when you are shooting at home, be prepared with ये सारी चीज़ें होंगी. अजान की आवाज़ आ रही है जो generally I'll not shoot it. कुत्ता भौंकता है तो मुझे बंद करना पड़ता है. बेल बज जाती है तो अगेन रीशूट करना होता है. और इनफैक्ट अगर किसी ने नल चालू कर दिया या टीवी की वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दी तो भी मुझे रीशूट करना पड़ता है. सो यू नो व्हाट, इफ़ यू स्टार्ट विद द यूट्यूब, आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स नॉट ईजी, इट्स नॉट वन टेक शो. एट टाइम्स 5 मिनट का वीडियो शूट करने में 1 घंटे भी लग जाते हैं. सो I decided that I'll show you the back. I'll show you the whole thing what one video takes. So when, you know, anytime किसी भी content creator पे जब हम comment करते हैं, तो जब हम खुद ये चीज़ बनाते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि boss, how much effort it takes. So that was the whole idea, guys, that, you know, if you want to start with it, please go ahead with that. But you will understand that how much hard work each and every creator puts in. अब किसी का वीडियो बेस्ट होता है, किसी का नहीं होता है. Some of you like my video, some of you don't like my video. So it is all like हम किससे कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं. So YouTube platform, I thought I would tell you guys that कि कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं होता. लाइक मैं भी परफेक्ट नहीं हूँ, सो मुझसे भी मिस्टेक्स होती है. Being a media educator, being a journalist, still there are a lot of difficulties that I go through because YouTube एक अलग expertise है. Like, you know, you have to be very different in front of the camera. When you are reporting on field, हमारा job बहुत अलग होता है. But when you are a YouTuber, it is completely different. The way I interact with you, the way I talk to you, सब कुछ बदल जाता है. So, you know, guys, please do let me know in the comment box below that how you find this vlog. Should I make such vlogs more often? Would you like to, you know, see more of the backside of the story, like, you know, what goes on behind making the videos? Please do let me know in the comment box below, so I would understand whether you want to watch this content or, you know, I should not be making such content. So guys, last thing and the best thing, you know what, this tripod, I simply love this one. See, this is how it is. This is Mobi Life ka. I'll put the link in the description box of all the equipments I have purchased from Amazon. So this is so good. I carry this in my bag and this is so handy. Like if you see, I the only thing is for the vertical video I have to be little thoda struggle है because ऐसे मैं vertically नहीं रख सकती. But then for the YouTube video this is the best tripod, best and affordable and hardly 700 rupees. See if you do this, जैसे मैंने इसको सेल्फी स्टिक बना लिया, right? And then this is the tripod. अभी मैं अगर ये कर दूँ, so what I do is I do this, keep it on my table and I'm ready with the tripod. And yes, there is one more thing, good thing about this. ये जो है ना, there's a small tiny remote. So if मैं कैमरा अगर थोड़ा दूर रखा हुआ है, मैं नज़दीक क्यों बैठती हूँ? बिकॉज अगर मैं नज़दीक हूँ तो मेरी आवाज़ क्लियरली आएगी. सो मुझे माइक की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. एज आई सेड, दिस न्यू फोन्स नो हैव एन अदर हेडेक. सो मुझे वायरलेस माइक में भी इन्वेस्ट फ़िलहाल नहीं करना. So once I get monetized, because if you all support me, then definitely I'll buy one, wireless mic, because this all investment, obviously I have to do it from my pocket. I do earn, but this is not my full-time job. So क्या होता है ना, I have to give a lot of time and obviously the effort, research work and all sort of things. So I hope that you guys will help me to make better videos in terms of giving your opinion, commenting below, sharing my videos. That will definitely help. So this remote, this, like if I keep it and it connects on the Bluetooth and you click, you can switch on off your mobile phone. So yes, this is like really a good investment. I guess not only like people those who want to do YouTube videos, अगर आप in general भी खरीदना चाहते हो तो खरीद लो. They are not paying me anything. They should actually for recommending, highly recommending this. So अगर आप खरीदना चाहते हो तो please खरीदिए, because this will help you for your projects. This will help you for, it's very handy and not big investment kind of a thing. So हाँ, so I guess हम आज का vlog यहीं पे end करते हैं. And I would really look forward for all of your feedbacks, all of your comment that how you find the vlog. And in the next video I'll show you my college setup, and you definitely know my team members also. There's Genevieve, Melvina and other members. Those are contributing and helping me to make my reels and videos. I would definitely see if they can come on my video. Genevieve does come on my video often because she's doing the whole research work on abroad studies, media studies. So there's a lot of hard work, guys. It's not easy because everything is facts and everything is research. So guys, already बहुत पसीना हो गया. So I guess we should finish today's video here itself. And thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. And as I said, this is my like second camera and this is my primary camera. So whatever it is, well, I don't know how I'll edit, but let's see. I would definitely try to come up with some creative editing. So I'll show you a lot of things, that what software I use and how you can be an independent YouTuber if you want to be. So guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of behind the scene videos on every Sunday vlogs. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.